All right, so welcome back to White House Farm. What we're working on today is, there we go, we're putting in a new drain valve over here. As you can see, this one's cracking and it's just old and chalky, and a nice 316 stainless steel is going to look a lot better on there, especially when the sun hits it. There we go. Really simple, and this is a 3/4 inch, made for bilge pumps. I believe 750 gallons per hour or less. The bilge pump we have in there, I believe, is a 550. But we're gonna go ahead and get inside. We're gonna disconnect it. It's pretty simple, so this will be a quick video. Undo the nut in the back, and then we should be able to thread that right into the tubing and then tighten it up on there. So hopefully the diameter is the same, otherwise we'll have to cut the hole a little bit bigger, but we won't know until we get this out. So let's go ahead and get in there and get this out and get our new one installed. All right, so you can see back there, this one's a plastic one, and it's just a plastic nut on there. So we can go ahead and unscrew that and pull that off and get our new one put in. And there is a hose clamp holding that on, so we gotta take that off. All right, just trying to take the hose clamp off. This snapped. So, oh well, we're taking it off anyways. There we go. All right. We'll take a look at the outside here. Just some caulk in there. All right. All right, let's see if this actually fits here. And yes. All right, so that's gonna fit nice. So let's just get some caulk behind this, and then we'll put it back in and get everything all tightened up. And we're gonna use a little silicone sealant. And we're gonna get the hole inside here. All right, so we got it all caulked up there, got the silicone on. Go ahead and shove this back in there, and we'll get it tightened up, and then we'll wipe off the excess. Blob done. So we're gonna connect to the back to the hose here, and then we're gonna tighten up the clamp, the hose clamp, and we should be all set. All right, now we can go ahead and tighten that up. All right, so you see how quick, simple, and easy that is, and you can update your stuff really quick. And that's a nice stainless steel piece now instead of this one. And this one actually snapped when we were getting ready to take it off. So I mean, it was needed to be replaced anyways. Like I said, it was all chalky and it was cracking anyways. So out with the old, in with the new. All right, so we're all set. Make sure to check out the videos on all the other stuff that we've been doing with the boat and lots more. So once again, we hope you like, enjoy, subscribe, and as usual, we'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.
You can't say goodbye without saying goodbye to me.
All right, Olaf. We'll see you on the next one. All right. Bye, Obo.
Bye, guys.